I noticed on a few unboxing videos of the UpairOne Plus, these cables, these ribbon cables, just loose on two of the legs, and I wasn't very happy when I actually unboxed this one and saw them. I wasn't very happy that they were just flapping about. So we decided on a fix, hopefully an easy fix. Might be a little bit tricky, but using double-sided tape. Okay, and we need to cut pieces, and you don't want them any wider than the ribbon cable, because if they overlap then they're going to attract dirt. So I'm going to stick them to the cable first. It's a bit of a tricky job, but we can get them just in the right place. That one. Okay. And we can get the backing off. Carefully don't pull on the cable at all. You need to get the backing off the tape naturally, off the other side. I think the easiest way is to attach it to the ribbon first and make sure it's well stuck on there, and then to get the backing off, which is easier said than done. I did say it would be a bit of a tricky job, depending on which type of double-sided tape you use, I expect. Some will be stronger than others. We just need to separate the backing. Yeah, easier said than done. Have it now, there we go. Now to push that right back in there so it's going to lie flat in here. Hopefully you can see it there. What we're going to do is press it right back down inside there. That's it, that's stuck well now. Still the wire isn't too bad, but it's the ribbon cable I'm more or less bothered about. But that's that side done. You can always put, I'm just going to do this now, just one side, to stick the black tape down, the black cable down, right. So I'm using another piece, just one side, and that's going in there, and that will hold the black cable down. There we are, that's one side secure. This other side is a bit different because we have this piece underneath it. I think it's an aerial of some type. So what we're going to do is stick it down there, perhaps. Yeah, if we stick it down here, then that will hold it away and there won't be any chance of it getting caught. So here we go again, another thin strip. As I said, try not to make it wider than the actual cable, because it will attract dirt, and I want to try and start this off if I can. I don't know if it's easier doing it this way or not. We'll stick this down on here. Needs to be a bit further up, I think. There. That should do it. Now this job of getting the backing tape off again. It's very, very careful not to pull on the cable. I think we've got the hang of it now, yeah. That one's gone very easy. Okay, so same thing here. Push that in there. Right down so it's secure, and that should go back into there. I think we'll actually yes. With this being in the way, it means that can go down the side of there. Yeah, yep, that's it. Down the side of it. All tucked in. I feel much better about that now. You can see that one's tucked in and stuck down, and that one's tucked in and stuck down. Well, I hope this little video has been a help to some people. I know it's a simple fix, and probably people have thought about doing it already, but hopefully will be of help to someone. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.